Top AI tools for creating religious education videos. Educating through video has become one of the most effective ways to connect with people today. And when it comes to religious education, InVideo AI leads the way. Whether you're a teacher, pastor, youth leader, or content creator, producing faith-based educational videos no longer requires technical know-how or long hours of editing. InVideo AI makes everything easy and automated, so you can focus on your message, not the software. Just input your lesson plan, scripture, or teaching content, and let InVideo AI build your video for you. It will recommend layouts, text animations, relevant images, and soothing background music. Whether you're explaining Bible stories, moral teachings, or theological concepts, InVideo turns your content into visually engaging and digestible lessons. You can also include quizzes or reflection questions by inserting text slides at any point in your video. What's great about using InVideo AI for religious education is the flexibility. You can create videos tailored for different age groups, from children to adults, and adapt your tone accordingly. Need subtitles for accessibility? Done. Want to repurpose a blog or sermon into a short video lesson? Easy. The platform even lets you export in multiple formats for sharing in classrooms, Zoom calls, or social media. With drag-and-drop simplicity and AI-powered automation, InVideo allows anyone to become a video educator. Plus, it saves churches and organizations both time and money, eliminating the need for hiring editors or purchasing complicated tools. Ready to bring your teachings to life in a modern and impactful way? Click the InVideo AI link in the description and start your journey today.